Oh shit. Here we go again.
अरे यार अच्छा गाना लगाने को बोला था। एकदम मस्त था ना। अरे इंट्रो इज अमेजिंग यार। कहाँ पुट इट इन द कमेंट्स। बहुत मेहनत किया है। So as you can see, a lot of things have changed starting from the intro. Amazing intro. It is just transformed. But there is one thing that hasn't changed is the search for content. I don't have content. So while I was between my projects working my way through Google Forms, I realized I can actually do something with it. And I literally did. So I created an eligibility form for people to date me. So the form starts with this form is your entry, admit one, because come on, yeah, you cannot do multiple entries for getting you into the wait list to date Manav Bahal. I really thank you for spending time to open it, and I would request you to open your hearts and answer this form with due diligence. You see the language? It's just welcoming me to this form. Wow. Also smile because you're on YouTube. They are. You're watching right now. Give me some amazing content because that's the real search. This form is no less than an obstacle course. It starts off easy with gender, which has three options: male, female, or other, whatever you can mention. Goes on to how old are you? 18 plus is fine, but 21 plus, sorry, not preferable. No, can't do. Then it slowly slides into if we were to conduct a test right now, how much would you score? And that's just testing like confidence. So it has like 10 on 10, 0 on 10, or you would just copy. Where I prefer copy people, but come on. Then comes the extreme hard part, which is what do you like about your to be, maybe boyfriend, Manav. So you have to type your answer and that's your space, go wild. After that, I just wanted some gossip about myself. So I was like, what kind of rumors have you heard about the super dashing, wow, Manav? And after this form was submitted, I didn't want other people to like complain that we didn't have extra space to write whatever we wanted. So I gave an extra space for people and I promised them that they will get brownie points for writing into that space and try and impress me. After that, the most crucial question ever. If I was to play games with my boys, with my bros, with anyone, everyone, what would your response be? And that's very crucial, okay? So, will your question be sure, you go ahead? Or it'll be no, you have to stay with me all the time. Or it could be, can I join too? Which is, oh my god. If you selected that and if you fill the form, love you, man. And then came the most important part, the trick question, where I posted the most sundri picture that I have and I asked people to comment on it or to describe how that picture is. And to be very honest, a lot of people have failed right there. After these all intense, blazing, fiery, death serving questions came the last and ultimate question. The question to decide your destiny and my destiny was similarly, why do you want to get selected? Now, let's start with the answers. This form was live for 1 day, out of which 46 people filled this form, 46 responses. And in 46 responses, approximately 29 were female and 14 were male. So if you consider, the line is long. When we come to the 8th section, approximately 87% of them were 18 plus. So lucky me. But the rest were 21 plus. So all of that, whatever the number was, I took and I threw. Because I mentioned 21 plus not preferable. I mentioned. Sorry. Heartbreaker Manav. Starting in the question, what do you like about your to be maybe boyfriend Manav Bahal? The responses were, which were The best response in that category was, Manav is Sundar, Sushil and sorted. What more do you want in a guy? Factual. Amazing use of that little space. Great answer. The second response was, Manav is a great guy, but I am a straight guy. So he really wanted to impress me, but he didn't want me. The next response was a poetry. It starts with, he is tall, I am short. You carry me, I'm a panda. I sleep all day, it's a perfect match.
Oh my god! Wow!
But not all responses were nice, because someone called me a dork. But let's get back to the best answers ever. The next answer was Uski Zulfe.
What the fuck are you doing?
Now let's go to the rumors section. What rumors have you heard about the super dashing Manav? Let's get started. Now I'm a little tired of people trying to roast me all the time. So when I asked what's the rumor that you heard, they said that he is super dashing.
Got him! Got him!
Come on, that's the content I gave you. You have to give me content. And the other trending response was that he is gay, that he is gay, that he is gay, 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 that he is gay, gay, gay. अरे पागल है क्या?
चुप! बिल्कुल चुप!
And few of the answers were also people questioning if I have even dated once. Come on, yaar. I asked you to make me feel better. The next section was the brownie points wala section, where you could write anything and everything you wanted, no rules, just to impress me, get some points and lead the leaderboard. The first one was I can parallel park, so I can promise you long drives, and that was like, okay, sold. Good one, sold. A lot of creative ones in this section, where one was Amir Siddiqui है एक नंबर का फुद्दू. Will you be my बाबू, शोना और गुड्डू? There is a side view, rear view, and what else? I love you. Oh my god. Wow. Please contact me, huh? Selected, you're selected. And then the sad one started, where they were just insulting me. Like, give Google Forms a break. और भग तूने क्या ताजमहल बनाया है, 600 सब्सक्राइबर लाए बस और हमको बोल रहा है इम्प्रेस करने. ये क्या डेस्पो की तरह अपने ऊपर एक पेज बनाकर हमको तेरे को इम्प्रेस करने को बोल रहा है. कम ऑन यार. And then back to the picture which I gave you, and everyone was commenting on the picture, how they thought it was or what they could describe from that picture. And the first one was, hi Garmi. Also, shut up bitch. This picture could be a meme. Let's make it a meme. Next video, let's try that. Did the sun just come out or did you just smile at me? Aww. There were two responses back to back. One was cutie or cutie, however you say it, however. And the next one was, you're hideous. You're just hideous. The next one was, don't use this picture on Tinder or Shaadi.com because you won't get any matches. Dude, you just gave me an idea for the next video because I will get matches and I might also get married, so I will not try it, but I could win it, huh? Don't challenge. Challenge?
Challenge
Not accepted. And the final question, finally. And to all of the people who survived all the questions, the last question, which was, why do you want to get selected as my girlfriend? The responses were,
I'm not interested. I'm not interested, यार. मुझे सुनना ही नहीं है.
if I get a chance to slap you, I would. YTF, will anyone opt for this shit? Cause I'm not 18 plus, lols. Oh shit!
FBI, open up!
I always had one dream since childhood that I always wanted to marry a YouTuber with 632 subscribers. Oh my god, girl, you are selected. Please hit me up in DMs or whatever, no man of Instagram, wherever. Just, or if you are the person, please comment down below. I don't mind. To all of the people who wrote the answer that I have liked and commented and subscribed to your channel, and that is why I should get selected, well, you guys are. All of the responses were amazing. Thank you so much for everyone who came on the link, kept up with my bullshit and filled the form. I love you all. 46, 42, whatever number. I love you all. Thank you so much. And with that, I have to end this video. I hope you all had fun. You all enjoyed it. Took your little time off, but you enjoyed that time. What else to say? You know the drill. You should like this video so that YouTube promotes this. Many people see it. You should comment. And I'm forgetting one thing. But you are not. I didn't say subscribe. That doesn't mean you don't subscribe. If you have seen the video and if you see the little down button which is saying subscribe and not subscribed, then click on it and change it to subscribed. And I will see you soon. Maybe 10 days, maybe 12 days. But I will make an amazing video and come back again.